Hi guys, I'm Dkoda, also known as Express SI, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing their newest DreamColor Underglow kit on my 2019 Civic SI Coupe. Let's get started with this unboxing. Hey guys, so I have it all laid out here. I'm going to give you a rundown on what's all that comes inside the kit when you order your Underglow kit. So this is all it laid out for you. So this is the power wire. So you have the negative and positive that hook up to your battery, which will come off and it connects from here. Keep that protected. It will go straight into the control module. The control module, it connects from here and it will go into the lights themselves. At the control module is how you connect with the remote. So you'll have this on yourself and you can change the different modes, colors, and speed and everything you want with them. That's how you control it with the remote. From the control module, go straight into the lights themselves. You have two 36-inch, which will be the front of the car and the rear of the car, and two 48-inch, which goes along the passenger and driver side of the car. The kit also comes with two different sized, smaller and bigger zip ties to make sure you have all the wires and everything tidy so they are not loose on your car, with all the hardware to be able to secure it. So this is one of the brackets that hold the side of the car, the passenger and driver side, the light strip to the car. So these are the little metal brackets. So these ones will be put against the car. So if you come right here with me, I've already started to pre-put for where I'm going to be putting it, because I don't want it too close to the edge of the car. I want mine recessed just a little bit, so I started it right here. So I'm going to be putting it right here, and you're just going to screw it in like that, and then make sure it's set up to where you need it, and just make sure it's a little snug. You don't want it too tight right there, and I'll just, once I have the rest of them, I'll snug it up the rest of the way, and that's set in place. And now the bar will go right inside and snap into place, just like that. These are some of the other screws that are in the kit as well. These help secure the end of it on top of those pieces that we just installed in the last clip. These ones go at the very end. I'm going to be using an electric drill, but these ones go right here, right there, and that is secured with the clip right here, and those won't go nowhere. So once you run the wire from the passenger light to the rear, the male and the female, you'll basically just plug them straight in right there, and once they're plugged all the way in, there's this piece to secure it completely, and you just screw it in. That's it. And then you'll just tuck the rest of this wire, which I'm going to tuck right up here, and then once I secure this with a zip tie that is provided, it'll be out of the way, out of place, and that side will be done. After you secure all the different lights and you connect all the pieces, tuck all your wiring, and it's time to secure and connect the battery portions. So if you look right here, we already secured the control module, and all the wires from underneath are ran up, secured, ready to go. And now it's just the one wire, which is the battery connection, and that's all. So right now we're going to connect it to the battery. So you want a negative and positive. You're just going to slowly loosen it with all my other stuff connected. We're going to just add one more in. So I just finished securing the negative, zip tied it down so it's nice, and now I'm able to run my wire. And now we will connect the positive wire. We just finished installing the negative and the positive. I ran the wires down and under, and they came out to right here. I brought them up, and now I tucked the wire away. In the control module, these two, all I have to do is connect them right here, and I'll just tuck this one away right here, and that is it. Now all the wires, so we already went through, we connected the back to the sides to the front, and we brought all the front up to this corner where they all connect to each other into the control module. In the control module, it connects one wire down below, and the one wire goes into the negative and the positive. And now with that, we're able to now use our remote, and you guys will see it once it's on the floor, so you see the full experience.